Question they are saying, in which direction does the buoyant force of an object immersed in liquid acts? So now we know that whenever we immersed an object in water, an upward force is acting on it, and that force is known as buoyant force, right? So do you know that these buoyant force acts perpendicularly normal to that object or surface of that particular object, and the buoyant force is always acting in an upward direction. And what is the reason behind this? The reason is that if you see on the top of the surface, the pressure is low, but if you go deeper and deeper, if you dive inside the water, so the pressure level increases. So that is the reason that particular object is thrown from bottom to high, because everything in a nature moves from high to low. So pressure at the bottom is high, so it is trying to move at low pressure. So that is the reason कि buoyant force is acting in an upward direction. So you can state your answer in such a manner कि the buoyant force acts on an immersed object vertically upward. And if you want to explain this answer, so in that case you can go with these lines. This is because the pressure exerted by the fluid with depth, the pressure on the bottom, like greater the depth, the greater would be the pressure. So the pressure on the bottom of the object is greater than the pressure on the top surface, and the difference of these force result in net upward force, which is known as buoyant force. Okay, so it acts vertically upward. I hope solution was clear to you all. In case if you have any doubt, you can reach to us.